Hi, Coach. In this video, I will teach you how to invite contacts or prospects to your coaching program. In CoachVantage, there are 3 ways that you can invite your contacts or prospects to sign up to your coaching program. You can do this from the Programs page, from the individual contact record page, or via a URL link. Let's explore the first way you can invite a contact or prospect to sign up to your coaching program from the Programs page. From your dashboard, click One-on-One Programs on the left-hand menu. Next, select the program that you would like to invite a client or prospect to join. You can do this by selecting the 3-dot menu and then clicking Invite Clients. A window will populate, and from here, you can select who you would like to invite to this program. Please note that you can select more than one contact. And in this case, the contacts that you select are from your contact list. Click Invite when ready. Great! An email has been sent to those contacts notifying them that you have invited them to sign up to your coaching program. Now, let's explore a second way that you can invite one of your contacts to sign up to a coaching program of yours. The second way to do this is from the individual contact record page. To invite a contact to sign up to a program from an individual contact record page, the first step is selecting contacts on the left-hand side of your screen. Select the contact who you would like to invite to sign up to one of your programs. In this case, I'll select Blair. Now we are in Blair's individual contact record page, and we can see that Blair is already enrolled in the Healthy Life Transformation Coaching Program. To invite Blair to another one of your coaching programs, simply select the green Start New Program button. You will be presented with 3 options: to create a quick start program, create a custom program, or select a coaching program. The simplest option here is to select a coaching program and choose from an existing list of programs that you have already created. In this example, let's say you would like to invite Blair to sign up for the Managing Chronic Stress program. Simply select the program and then press Send Invite. Great! An email has automatically been sent to Blair inviting her to sign up for that program. Lastly, the third and final way to invite a client to sign up to one of your programs is via a URL link. To do this, simply select the One-on-One Programs button on the left-hand side of your screen. On this page, select the 3-dot button menu correlating with the program you would like to invite a contact to. In this case, for the Your Journey to Optimal Nutrition program, I will click the 3-dot button, and then I will copy sign up page URL link. Now that I have copied this link to the desired program, I can then paste this link in an email onto my Facebook page, LinkedIn, Instagram, etc. This enables your prospects and potential clients to click on the URL and be redirected to the program sign up page to complete their enrollment into the program. And that's it. If you have additional questions related to this topic, please make sure to review the reference articles at the bottom of this article. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video has been helpful to you. Happy coaching!